this section of the tutorial, I'd be demonstrating the settings menu, the user passwords, and explaining the log files. When you go into the main menu and select Settings, you can see various information on the screen, such as the pump serial number, the software version of the pump, which is very important to make sure your pump software is up to date. You can see the date and time, and you can change it. You can change the language of the pump. You can also change the touchscreen brightness and also change the page timer. That's the time after which the pump screen will automatically lock. In this page, you can also back up the pump using a USB stick, and you can copy all the pump settings onto a USB before doing a factory reset. If you move on to the next tab, which is the Output tab, you can have various output signals coming out from the pump depending on the version of the pump you have. Moving on to the next tab, which is the password icon. If you go into the password icon, you can set different levels of user password in the pump. To activate this, you press the on button, and then you have to start by setting an admin password. You have different levels of passwords, such as the supervisor password and operator password. Now with the admin password, you have full access to the pump. With the supervisor password, you have a limited access. And with the operator password, you have a very limited access, in the sense you can only switch on and switch off the pump and also view the log files. Now, once you set the different passwords, depending on which password you use, the pump will automatically assign the different user rights. Once you set up the password, and if you press accept, go to the home screen and lock the pump. Once you press unlock, depending on the password you choose, the access rights would be assigned. So in this case, if I press the admin password of 123, the pump would be unlocked, and I'll have full access to the pump menus. If you choose a different password, which has been set, then the access would be restricted based on that. Moving on to the log files. The log files give you all information of what's been going on with the pump. If there's an open door, that be logged onto the log file. You can export the log file by inserting a USB stick right at the back and pressing export log file. You can also create a new set of log file by clicking new log. That's the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to have more information, please watch our other tutorials.